Today we are diving into Usermaven's awesome reports feature. Imagine never missing a beat on your website's performance. Sounds good, right? So let's jump right in. Let's create a report together. It's super easy. First, we'll head over to the reports section. See that shiny create report button? Click on it because this is where the magic happens. Now let's name our report. Let's name it sales summary, for instance. Next, choose your report type. We'll be selecting key summary web analytics over here. This option should be available soon. Now, the $1,000,000 question. How often do you want this report? Do you want it on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis for the big picture thinkers? Let's go with weekly over here. Every Monday morning, perhaps at, let's say, 9 a.m. or let's say 10 a.m. Nothing like starting the week with fresh data. But pro tip, make sure you set the right time zone by visiting workspace settings in Usermaven. We don't want our US team getting the reports at 3 a.m. Now that would be funny. But the next question is that who is going to get this data? Let's add our team's email addresses over here. You can add people from sales, you can add people from marketing or the CEO, basically everyone that needs to be kept in the loop. And this is it. You can also select Slack as a notification channel from over here. You can select whatever channel or channels that you want your report to come in from over here. Once you're done, click on the create button and your report should be created. But wait, let's see what the report is going to look like. So this is what the report is going to look like in your email. You have your conversion goals, your top pages over here. You have your breakdown by visitors for your specific sources. Then you have your top locations and so on. So let's click on the create report button and you have your report right here. And there's more. Usermaven lets you manage your reports like a boss. So, need to pause your reports for a holiday? No problem, you can do it by clicking right here and clicking on the pause button. You need to edit your reports, you can just click on the edit button, make whatever changes that you need. For example, let's change the time to, let's say, 9 a.m. and click on the update report button. You can also delete your report by clicking on the delete button over here and your report should be deleted. And there you have it, folks. With Usermaven's reports feature, you're not just collecting data, you're telling your website's story one report at a time. Ready to become a reporting rockstar? Give Usermaven a try today. Until next time, happy tracking.